In 1975, Hōkūleʻa was born in Hawaii. More than just a canoe, she became a symbol, a rebirth of the ancestral knowledge of the great Polynesian navigators. In 1976, guided by master navigator Maupie'lug, Hōkūleʻa achieved the unthinkable, sailing Kealaikahiki te Tahiti, the traditional sea road from Hawaii to Tahiti without a single modern instrument. A wave of emotion swept through Papeete, where thousands welcome her crew as heroes. Since then, Hōkūleʻa has traveled more than 80,000 kilometers, voyaging across the Pacific and beyond, carrying a message of peace, respect for nature, and cultural pride. She has rekindled the flame of traditional wayfinding and inspired new generations to reconnect with their roots. In 2025, we celebrate her 50th anniversary. 50 years of courage, resurgence of cultural identity, and connection among the peoples of the vast ocean. Hōkūleʻa is more than a voyage. She is a vision, a guiding star that continues to light the way for Polynesian peoples.